Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video I will let you know about the different branches of BIT Sindri. Okay, I will give you the detail of the branches, and at last I will give you my suggestions regarding which is the best branch at BIT Sindri, which branch you should choose, and such things. At last I will give that review. Okay, and congratulations to all those students who have scored a very good percentile in the JEE Mains. Congratulations to all of them first. Okay, and so here let's start the video. So starting with the chemical engineering branch. So chemical engineering branch is one of the oldest branch of BIT Sindri. It was established in the year 1956. It has total capacity of 102 and the total placement received is 84 and the average package was 5 lakh per annum, and the laboratories are good and the professors are very good here. They are like very helpful, they are very humble, and they are available for you all the time. Okay, and regarding about the cutoff is 90 and above. It is for general category, and the top recruiters are the Vedanta, ACC, Ambuja Cement, General Steelworks, Deloitte, and such companies. Okay, like even if you want to know about the cutoff in very deep detail regarding all the category and such things, I have already made a video on my channel. You can go and watch that video to know about the cutoff in a very deep detail. Okay, then moving toward the another branch is like civil engineering. For civil engineering, the total capacity of this branch is 106 and it was established in the year 1957, and the total placement offered is 55 and the average package is 5 lakh per annum, and the laboratories are good, the professors are very good, they are available for you all the time, and the cutoff is 91 and above, and the top recruiters are L&T, Vedanta, Tata Power, Deloitte. Okay, was about civil engineering. The civil engineering is one of the core branch. Then moving towards another branch on the computer science engineering. Like computer science engineering is one of the best branch of BIT Sindri. It has a total capacity of 44 students. It was established in the year 2001 and the total placement offered is 64. Like if you are thinking that how the capacity is 44 and the placement offered is 64, it is because some of the guys have got multiple placement, that is more than one placement, that is the total placement offered is 64, and the average package is 9 lakh per annum. The laboratories are very good, the professors are good, but there is a bit shortage of professors, and the cutoff is 95 and above for general category, and the top recruiters are Amazon, Schlumberger, Dassault, Samsung, TCS, Info Edge, and other such tech giants. So computer science engineering is a very good branch at BIT Sindri. It is having one of the highest number of placements. Then talking about the another branch, that is electronics and communication engineering, that is EC. It was established in the year 1957. It is also one of the oldest branch. It has a total capacity of 61 students and the total placements offered to this branch is 73 and the average package received is 63. Average package received is 6 lakh per annum, and the laboratories are very good, the professors are very good. The cutoff for this branch is 94 and above, and the top recruiters were Google, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, and other such good tech companies. Okay. Then moving toward the another branch is electrical engineering. It has a total capacity of 113. It was established in the year 1949 and the total placement offered to this branch is 98 and the average package was 5.5 lakh per annum. The laboratories are very good, the professors are very good and very serious about the future of the students. And in this year, the IES 2021, the All India Rank 1 was from BIT Sindri, and that guy was from the electrical engineering. So, and the cutoff for this branch is 92 and above, and the top recruiters are Vedanta, Tata Power, Adani, Tata Steel, Deloitte, Tata Technologies, and other such companies. Okay, this was all about electrical engineering. Now we will move toward another branch. The another branch is information technology, that is IT. The information technology, it is one of the best branch of BIT Sindri. It has a total capacity of 47. It was established in the year 2007 and the total placement offered to this is 70. So like almost all the students are placed here, and the average package was 88.5 lakh per annum. The laboratories are very good, the professors are good, but a bit shortage, and as I already mentioned earlier, and the cutoff is 95 and above. The top recruiters are Cisco, Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Dassault, Amazon, Samsung, Adani, IBM. Okay. And like computer science engineering, IEC and the IT, all three branches are in the same building and they have the same lab. Like they all have the modern lab consisting of IoT, AI, and other such technology. All these departments share a common lab. Okay, these other circuitous branches, that's why they all share a common lab, and the lab facilities are very good and very modern. Then moving toward another branch, that is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest branch of BIT Sindri. okay, and that the total capacity of this department is 121, and it was established in the year 1949. The total placement offered to this branch is 110, and the average package is 6 lakh per annum. The laboratories are very good. The labs of the mechanical engineering are one of the best in college, and the average package received is 6 lakh per annum. The professors are very good. They are always available for you, and the cutoff is 94 and above. The top recruiters are Tata Steel, Adani, L&T, Vedanta, Tata Power, ACC. Okay, this was all about mechanical engineering. Now moving towards the metallurgical engineering, the capacity for the metallurgical engineering is 60. It was established in the year 1956, and the placement offered is 60. The average package is 5 lakh per annum. The laboratories are very good. The professors are very good. The cutoff is 90 and above, and the top recruiters are Tata Steel, Vedanta, Jindal Steelwork, and other such manufacturing companies. So for metal, like metal is said that the labs are very good, the professors are very good, and almost all the students from the metal get placement. So it is a saying in BIT like metal hai to settle hai, because almost all the students get placed in a very good companies. Okay, this was all about metallurgical engineering. Metallurgical engineering also is one of the oldest branch, like it was established in the year 1956. Okay. Then moving toward the mining engineering, the mining engineering has a total capacity of 55. It was established in the year 1956. The total placement offered is 61, and the average package is 5.5 lakh per annum. And the laboratories are good, the professors are very good, and the cutoff for this branch is 90 and above. And the top recruiters for this branch is Vedanta, Adani, Aditya Birla Group, L&T, and such companies. Okay, this was all about mining engineering. Now we will move toward another branch. The another branch is production engineering. It is said that production engineering in BIT Sindri was having the Asia's first production engineering branch. Like in Asia, production engineering was started in BIT Sindri only for the first time. So now talking about the production engineering branch, it is one of the oldest branch. It was established in the year 1955. It has a total capacity of 55, and the total placement offer is 43. The average package was 5 lakh per annum. The laboratories are good, the professors are very good, and the cutoff for this branch is 88 and above, and the top recruiters are Vedanta, Deloitte, TCS. Okay, this was all about production engineering. Before moving ahead, I have a disclaimer for you guys. I have already made many videos regarding the mess, hostels, gym, or what is the college life, like how to take admission, what is the cutoff, and what is the college review, what are the fests, and everything regarding BIT Sindri. As you can see, these are the videos. You can go to the playlist section of my channel, and there you can see many playlists regarding the BIT Sindri guide, college life, moments, admission guide, and such things. So you can also go and see that for the complete information about the college. I have already made many videos on that, so you can also go and watch that to have a complete overview of the college. And now coming toward my suggestion for the branches, like if you want to go for the IT sector, because IT sector is at a boom right now in our country, and they are having many vacancies, they are having many placements and such things. If you want to go for that, you can choose the EC, CSE, EC or IT. These three branches will be very helpful for you. And if you are not able to get these branches also, then there is no such issue. You can prepare for, if you do coding, and prepare for the software industry sector from your core branches also. You can sit in off-campus placements or in the companies which allow you in those companies where the branch is not a barrier. You can also sit on the on-campus placement for that. Otherwise, off-campus placements are already available for such things. And if you want to join government sector and such things, so if you want to choose core branches, you can go for civil, electrical, mechanical. Mechanical is one of the best branch of BIT Sindri, so you can go for that. And regarding the other branches like production, metal, chemical and such, those branches are also very good. You can go for that. First you have to decide what is your area of interest. If you are not having any area of interest, I will suggest you to go toward the technical branches, because they will help you to get a placement very easily. India is known for the IT services, so the IT sector is having a boom right now, so it is very easy to get placements from the software sector. You have to just work a little bit and you will be able to crack a company. By working working very, like if you want to crack good company, you have to work hard. Like there is no shortcut for hard work. But if you just want to get placed somewhere and anything, then you should choose the software circuiter branches. But if your aim is like to go for some government, like very good government jobs and such thing, going for engineering services and such examination, you have to choose the core branches. And the core branches, BIT Sindri are very good, and the non-core branches, they are also very good here. They are having very good number of placements. The professors are good, the labs are good. Some branches are not having that up to the mark lab, but yeah, the facilities are improving day by day. Okay, if you are getting BIT Sindri, you will have a good opportunity here. Okay, so grab that opportunity and give your best to enjoy the college life. And that was all about from my side regarding the branches at BIT Sindri, which is the best branch, which branch is really good for you. And guys, if you like the video, guys, do subscribe the channel and like the video. If you will subscribe the channel, it boost my morale, and it will ultimately I will make more videos for you guys. So do subscribe the channel. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye. And if you have any query, do comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.